Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Whitney Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Whitney Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen and after that enter the address Hancock Whitney .com and short enter, and then it'll be directed to the home page of Whitney Bank over here. Now in order to log into your account, you can see at the right side of your interface on the screen here it says enter your username and your password, but before that we'll be required to select the account type. So let's click on it and you can see all of the account types over here. Mine is the personal online banking, but in your case it can be anything over here from this list. So I'll be clicking on the personal online banking, and after that enter your username of your Hancock Whitney Bank account over here and enter your password over here, whichever may it be. And if you're getting any problems to log into your account, guys, click on the can't login button over here and then you'll be directed to the page where you'll be able to fix your errors regarding your account on Hancock Whitney. And that being said, guys, after entering your username and your password, click on the view your account button and then you'll be logged into your Whitney Bank account online on your computer. And so guys, this is how to log into your Whitney Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.